Hello kids, today we will draw Angry Bird. So let's start. First draw the body. Draw a big circle, like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done. Make sure to leave a gap on side, like this. Now let's draw the eyebrows. Draw it like a long square shape. Make it like a flat box, and it's done. Good job. Now draw the other eyebrow also. Just draw it like the other one. Make a long box, and it's done. Well done, look how great it's looking. Now let's draw the Angry Bird mouth. Draw a wavy and long curvy line, like this. Now connect it, and draw the lower part. Draw it like a half circle, and look, we complete the mouth. It's looking very great. Now let's draw the Angry Bird eye. Draw a circle, like this. Now draw a small half circle, and fill the color. Good job. Now draw the other eye also. Draw the half circle, then draw a small circle inside, and fill the color. Well done, we complete the eye. Now draw a big curve, and make the stomach. Look how cute it's looking. Lastly, draw a long curved line, like this. Just draw like me, and make like a feather. Now draw V shape, and it's done. Good job, it's looking very great. Now let's draw some heart shape. To make the draw more cute, draw a cute heart shape on left side. Well done, now draw another heart shape on right side also. Just follow me, and it's done. We complete the drawing, so let's color it. First use red color, and color the heart shape. Use different color, and color the heart differently. Color the other heart also. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Good job, now use bulk color, and color the Angry Bird. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color carefully between the eyebrows, and fill the color. Well done, now color the outline on mouth and corner area. Once you color the outline, then slowly and carefully fill the color. Just color the corner, then color left and right, left and right, and it's done. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Can you guess what its name is? He is very big, and he explodes anywhere. His name is Bomb. I'm drawing very slowly, so you can also color with me. So just follow me and color step by step. Look, we color the body. Now use black color and color the feather. Color only the lower part, and it's done. It's looking very beautiful. Now use gray color and color the stomach. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Now use gray color and draw a curved line under the eye. Draw the curved line and fill the color like this. Now draw on the other eye also. Well done. Now draw oval shape like this and fill the color. Draw another shape and it's done. Well done. It's looking very great. Now use yellow color and color the mouth. Color the upper part first, like this. Now let's color the lower part also. Carefully fill the color, and don't make any mistake. Color also the feather's tip. Color the top, and it's done. Good job, we almost complete the drawing. Now use orange color and color the eyebrows. Color only the eyebrows, and don't color the outside. Well done, now color the other eyebrow also. Look how great it's looking. Lastly, use white color and make a small dot on the eye. Well done, now draw some small line on the mouth, like this. Lastly, draw a line on the stomach, and it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. Look how big and cute it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.